see two long buildings, one on each side of the canyon. These house the 17 generators that create the electrical energy that provides the funding for the operation and maintenance of this facility. This allows Hoover Dam to operate without the use of taxpayer dollars.
Oh. So the turbines are in there.
Notice the roofs on both buildings appear to have wires coming out of them. This is called the takeoff structure.
Okay.
From the takeoff structure, the wires carry the electricity up and over the canyon walls at 230,000 volts. The towers that support and direct the wires are leaning into the canyon.
Yes, as
These
shown
are
by here.
cantilever towers, designed to ensure that the wires do not touch the walls of the canyon and short out. Now look downriver, midway on the canyon wall, and you will see a rectangular concrete building with 6 holes.
Yes, I do.
This is the valve house. There are 2, one on each side of the canyon. Each building contains 2 90-inch jet flow gates. These gates allow us to run water around the turbines if necessary.
Hello.
Above the valve houses, stretching across the canyon, are 6 3.5-inch diameter cables.
Oh, where are they?
If you follow
Oh look, there's the cable thing.
you will see the lifting mechanism of the crane that is supported by the cables.
Excuse me, can you take a picture?
This is the original
No,
crane
I'm filming at the moment,
built
so
today.
there you go.
Please, thank you.
It is the oldest and largest continuously operating cableway crane system in the world, with a lift capacity of 150 tons. The crane is used to deliver large equipment from the road to the ramps below. Looking at these canyon walls, one can marvel at the tenacity, courage, and skill of the fearless men that performed some of the most dangerous undertakings on the Boulder Canyon project. These brave characters, called high scalers, swung from the top of the canyon walls by a single rope on a bosun's chair, drilling, blasting, and chipping away at the rock.
That's the
They worked the walls to their solid foundation to prevent the natural rock